Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to print all the even numbers from 1 to 100 in C#. So I've opened up Microsoft Visual C# 2008 Express Edition. You can use any IDE of course. So I'm not going to explain everything in this video. Maybe in another video I'll explain it. So first what you need to do is type in using system. Then I'm not going to define a namespace. Just defining a class you can select this as any class, of course. I mean, name this as any class. Set a void main, no parameters. And then now there are multiple ways to do this. So this is the first way with a for loop. So for, let's say, integer I is equal to 0. For as long as this integer I is smaller than 100, I will be incremented by 2. So inside this for loop, just do this console the right line I. So and console the read key so that it gets locked. So as you can see, it has printed all the even numbers from 0 until it reaches 100. So now the second way is very simple. All you need to do is for integer, this is with a while loop. So while, so let's define an integer I 0. I'm taking this as I again. You can name this as anything. So integer I is equal to 0 while I is smaller than 100, console dot right line I, and I will be incremented by 2. So it prints all the even numbers again. And now those are the ways that you can use to print all the even numbers from 0 to 100 in C#. Thank you for watching my video.